up, YouTube? It's your girl Star, I'm back with another video. Title you can see, I'm trying out of the country snacks. Yes, out of the country. I don't know where it's from yet. We're gonna find out together because I haven't even opened it. I've been waiting to tell you guys what I got because I haven't opened it and I ordered it off Amazon. So before we get started with this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share to everybody. I mean everybody. If your mom, your auntie, your granddaddy, your grandmammy, your grand sister, whatever you want to call them, your nanny, your granny, your meemaw, your pawpaw, pappy, whatever you want to call them, you better share them and tell them about Star Wars. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Today, we're going to be trying these out of the country snacks. Here's the box. It's so small. Like, I hope this stuff good, y'all, because, baby, I ain't trying to be on the toilet. I ain't trying. I am not trying to be on the toilet. So, and we're going to be chit-chatting, too, so, because I got some big deal, y'all. But we're going to be opening, so let's get to opening, because I'll be talking forever. Okay, so, I'm opening the box. The plastic is still on them. I'm opening the box. Y'all, when I tell y'all, my stomach be all over the place when I eat certain things. And I know I got a few of y'all out there that stomach don't sit well and stuff because, baby, I found out I was lactose intolerant. What I do that for? Anything I gotta eat, dairy product, it make my stomach bubble. But at first I was like, dang, like what's making my stomach do this? Then when I start eating cereal in the morning time, or if I eat a whole lot of cheese, like, y'all, I'm from the South, and down in the South, when your mom make lasagna, she gonna make that whole cheesy, like Chef Boyardee cheesy, like she gonna make it cheesy, like she gonna have cheese at the bottom, she gonna have cheese in the middle, she gonna have cheese in that middle, then in the middle again. Like, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you understand. If you're from the South, you know. Because, baby, cheese be having me, I be wanting to eat me a bowl of cereal in the morning time. See, I can't eat it in the morning time, and I can't eat it too late at night. Because, baby, I be on the toilet all night. But, anywho, we're going to get back to the video. Okay, I got, y'all, do not come for me in the comments because I don't know how to pronounce the word. But I'm just going to call it Boo's Wild Snacks because, baby, is it bamboozle? Bamboos? Y'all tell me what it is. Y'all probably can't see it, just see it, but it's this right here. It's called Boo's Wild Snacks. And this is the nutrient facts sheet. It tell you like all the different snacks and what comes in the snack box and how many calories and everything. See, baby, I ain't trying to watch my figure. Because, baby, I need all the carbs. I ain't never weighed what I weigh now. Because in high school, baby, if you get it, you get it. If you know, you know. But I was middle school, elementary, pre-K. If y'all have pre-K, Head Start, whichever one. But anywho, okay, we're gonna go down the list. I'm gonna go by this. So bear with me. I'm gonna go by the list on the paper. And we're gonna try it. We're gonna name, we're gonna try, and we're gonna rate. So, Jesus, pray for me. Father God, please don't let this stuff mess up my stomach. Please don't. Please, God. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, we're gonna get started. Okay. Oh, this is cute. They gave me Boo's Wild Snacks. Welcome to the jungle. How to read the hunt. Step 1. Find the right snack for the journey. Beware that the actual product package may vary from the image. Step 2. Support kit is your best friend if you get thirsty during the journey. Okay, step 3. Do not get lost. The story about the snacks may help you to find the right path. Step 4. Survive the jungle. Rate your snack journey on your social media account. I was going to do it anyway. Duh. But not on my social media. I'm going to rate this for y'all. So, okay. Okay, this is cute. But we ain't going to do all this. Oh, I thought this... Yeah, I thought it was a scratch off. Look. Y'all see that little circle? I thought it was a scratch off. Babe, I thought it was a scratch off. Look at my ass trying to get lucky for the lottery. Okay, the first snack is Nuts Party. Yeah, okay. Nuts Party. We ain't gonna go there, but Nuts Party. Okay, on nutrient fact, it got Nuts Party spicy. See, y'all already doing me wrong. I just told y'all my stomach ain't made for everything. And then they want to say Nuts Party is spicy. Anywho, it say it got 8 calories, total fat 6%, cholesterol 0, sodium drinks, carbohydrates. We gonna try it though, cause I ain't gonna be reading all these facts already. So we gonna try it. Okay, y'all, we gonna try it. This is Nut Party. Nuts, like you nuts to go party. We gonna try it. Okay, y'all, sorry. Expiration date 11/22/2022. Y'all can't even open the doggone snack. Maybe they want me eating it. Oh Lord. Help me. Y'all can't even get the doggone snack open. Oh, okay. I thought these were gonna be like corn nuggets. Look. You see how on the packet got little corn nuggets? But this how it look. Let me see. That's how it look. Like a little Cheeto ball. Y'all ever ate them asteroid hot Cheetos? Baby, they are busting. When I say busting, if you know, you know. I ain't gonna say too much on it, but if you know, you know. So I'm gonna try it. It just taste like, y'all know them. I know y'all probably know. Y'all know them little cheese fries that be in a blue bag. Like if you from the South, you probably know what I'm talking about. Some cities probably have, but they like hot fries, but they in a blue bag with a little man on there with some little shades. If you know, you know. But that's what it tastes like. Y'all don't mind my kids in the background. They up in there eating and playing, so don't mind them. Oh, y'all. Okay, they alright. They ain't all that. I wouldn't eat this just every day. I wouldn't just snack on it every day. But they alright. I give it a 6. It's alright. It's alright. Oh, they got a little taste on that. Oh my God, y'all, chocolate. I hope, I pray to God. They do not miss my stomach up. I swear that I don't think this. Me being want to be all adventurous and want to try different shit. Like, come on now. Come on. I mean, I didn't start with too hard, but damn girl, you ain't that damn adventurous. Come on. But anyway, we gonna do it. Okay, this is Pinto. This is the. It look all cute. It's cute. They got a panda bear on them, but they're not saying where it's from, y'all. They're not even saying what country it's from. Oh, okay. It say made in Turkey. Look, it's on the side of the box. Maybe the box made in Turkey, but they don't say. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Okay. So the next thing that I showed y'all this already, the Pentio, whatever. So we're gonna try this chocolate, y'all. Oh my god, y'all. It's so cute. Oh wow, it's cute. This is so cute. Okay. I'm just gonna try one piece, y'all. I ain't gonna make my stomach hurt. Cause y'all be like, eat it, eat the whole thing, eat the whole thing. Y'all stomach probably be up to stuff like that, but my stomach ain't up to nothing like that, baby. I can't do it. Yeah, I ain't gonna even lie. But this is a team. I don't even eat chocolate like that. But baby, this thing right here tastes like a Milky Way. Surely do. Tastes like a Milky Way. Cause I ain't gonna eat the whole piece though, cause I be on toilet. I told y'all that I be on toilet, cause ooh, my stomach. Next on the list, we have y'all, I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. Strawberry. I don't know how to pronounce this, y'all, but this is the product. Y'all gonna be sick, y'all. If I be sick, y'all gonna send me a gift and be like, get well soon. Cause y'all, this stuff gonna make my stomach hurt. Okay. Yeah, let me tell y'all something. Oh, this looks like a cookie. Straight away strawberry. Yeah, what the hell? Y'all see that? Just look like a cookie with y'all ever ate the little snowballs cake? That's what it feel like. It feel like a little snowball. Y'all know y'all grandma used to eat them snowballs. Snowballs are for people that ain't got no teeth in their mouth. So y'all know, y'all grandma used to sit in their recliner, watching Young and the Restless, eating them snowballs with no teeth in her mouth. So this would, if y'all seen y'all grandma do this, y'all know how to taste. Y'all gonna know how this gonna taste. So I'm gonna try it, y'all. I'm scared. Okay. It's so, ugh. Y'all, this is marshmallow. I don't like marshmallow. Ugh. Ugh. Y'all, the smoke is okay. Oh, I give that a 0. Cause we ain't gonna get it a 1. That's a 0. Cause I don't like marshmallow. I don't like marshmallow. I want it caramel. This is the wanted caramel. We're gonna try this. If I keep stopping it because I'm listening for my kids, cause they be fighting. Y'all, some more chocolate. I'm gonna be on the toilet. My next video gonna be like, come talk with me on the toilet. Like, come on now. This already give me a no vibe. I don't want it. I don't want it. That is a 1. Negative, by the way. Negative. What's on the next one? Y'all, I don't even know what this is. a beast chocolate. I'm trying to sound proper with it. Is it chocolate? A chocolate for my chocolate. But y'all know, for real. Have y'all ever just sit and think about what y'all gonna do next in life? Because I'm always changing my goals. I'm always thinking about a new plan. I'm always thinking about what I'm gonna do next, what I'm gonna do this. Like, I be feeling like I have too much on my plate. One minute I wanna do this, next minute I wanna do this, next minute I wanna do that. But one thing for sure, if I say I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. That's one thing about me. And I hope everybody be like that. Like, once you set your mind to do anything that you want to do, you do it. Like, don't let nobody stop y'all from y'all dream, y'all goal. Hell, if you want to be just saying, if you want to be a stripper, go make your motherfucking money. Can't nobody stop you from making your money, because your bills still got to be paid. Because at the end of the day, they're going to talk about you. They're going to say what you want. They're going to say what they want. They're going to do everything. They're going to do everything on the sun. But at the end of the day, baby, you still making money. And you still reaching to get to your goal. Because you have one little thing that people don't like about you. Don't stop you from doing your goal. Because, baby, I have people every day saying, oh, why won't you do this? Why won't you do that? Why can't you do this? You can only do this. Like, I feel like you should do this. Well, I feel like I should do what I want to do. Amen. Give me an amen. Everybody give me an amen. Amen. But we're going to try this little piece of chocolate. I don't know what it is. I don't know. But it look good because I eat white chocolate now. I eat white chocolate. But I'm going to try it, y'all. It smells good, isn't it? Y'all, this is a 10. Facts. This is nothing but a vanilla wafer alone. Not the cookies, but the little cookie that you can take apart. And they rolled it up like a stick. Like, this all that it is a vanilla wafer. I don't know what's it called. But it got a bitter taste to it. But it's good. I give it a 10. I give it a 10. I'm trying my else. I ain't gonna give it 10. I'm gonna get 8. Because it got a bitter taste to it. It got a bitter taste. Okay, y'all. We're gonna try these little. See. Oh, I know God gotta be with me tonight, because this stuff gonna have my stomach sitting on 30. Like, these are some chocolate sticks, but these the chocolate, dark chocolate. I think it's dark chocolate. It might be milk chocolate, but we're gonna try it. But yeah, I been having bad days at work. Like, people be coming to work, be knowing that they sick. I'm just eating one now. I'm not eating the whole thing, y'all, because y'all ain't gonna be here with me when my stomach hurts. So, like I was saying, we got people coming to work sick, knowing that they sick. Baby, if you don't feel good, stay at home. Why is you trying to spread all these germs, all this stuff in the air? Like, come on now, Corona getting bad. It's getting worse and worse. Like, stay at home. If you feel a little sick, like if you starting to feel just a tad bit sick, just stay at home. What's so wrong with staying at home? Y'all so scared that y'all not gonna get paid. But it's not about getting paid. Like, my health is way more important because at the end of the day, that paycheck still gonna go to somebody else. And you gonna be laying in the cash by yourself. Give me a amen. Give me a amen if you with me. If you with me, you with me. Because, baby, the same way they got you is the same way they gonna replace you. Because you sitting in the grave and they sitting up on paid. So, come on. You sick. Stay home. These folks don't care about you. They don't care. Baby, my health come before anything. My health, my kids. Because, baby, if I'm sick, I'm gonna stay at home. Fuck a check. Shit, if I'm sick, I'm gonna stay at home. Shit, that check still gonna be there when you dead and gone. So, baby, I gotta get myself ready. But like I was saying, baby, y'all be too focused on this. I mean, it's good to get your bag. It's good to be in the bag. It's good. Not saying that that's wrong. But baby, if you not feeling good, don't come to work spreading that stuff. Cause baby, I gotta go home to my kids. Other people gotta go home to their kids. You gotta go home to your kids. You gotta go home to their kids. Like, it's just, come on now, y'all gotta be careful. You gotta be more careful. Because nowadays, it's taking out the young, the old, the middle, however you want to look at it. But like I said, nobody care about y'all. Because they're going to replace you soon after. You probably not even be in the ground good and they replacing you. Come on now. Take care of yourself first. Life hack. Self-love. Love yourself. Take care of yourself. Worry about yourself. That's what it's all about. Yourself. Because if you don't worry about yourself, ain't nobody else going to worry about yourself. Y'all must ain't never heard RuPaul. Said Bill. If y'all ain't watched it, watch RuPaul Drag Race. He'll tell you, how you gonna love somebody else? If you know, you know. But yeah, I get it so folks. Cause they don't want to try it. I don't want to try this. I don't eat carrots. And then it got, y'all, this look like a little fruitcake. And y'all know during Christmas time that them fruitcakes be nasty. Y'all know it. So don't sit here and stunt like them fruitcakes don't be nasty, because they be having the fruitcakes still sitting on the shelf. They be the only thing like sweet wise that's on the shelf is fruitcakes. But this what it is, y'all. I don't know name. Y'all see that? I don't know name. But by this packaging, it got a carrot and it got some cinnamon on it. So I'm pretty sure this is carrot cinnamon cake. So we're gonna try it, y'all. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna smell it. Y'all, I'm gonna pinch off these because I don't like carrot. It smells just like carrot. It smells just like carrot cake. It looks like a muffin. Let me show y'all how it looks. But I ain't finna eat this whole time though. Hope y'all know this. Okay. Yeah. Y'all, this ain't one. Y'all, I'm gonna be sick. Sick as a dog. Off of this stuff. So we're gonna be trying the last little thing. This is what, I don't even know what these say. Y'all, I ain't gonna even try to read what this is. We're gonna say another prayer for my stomach. Because my stomach can't be told. Sorry. I'm gonna be trying it with somebody. Yeah. I don't know why it's white. Maybe that's a bad thing? Because it's white? Oh, it might be white. Y'all, it smell like bubblegum. I think it's sour.
Yeah, that thing on the paper, it gotta be sour shit.
I think it's sour, y'all. I'm scared. We're gonna do it on count 3. 1, 2, 3. Y'all, it's Jesus.
It's sour as hell.
Oh my God.
It's sour.
Oh shit. I didn't even get that much.
I just got the little pound of it.
This is nasty. I mean, it ain't nasty, but it's like a warhead. Oh Jesus.
It's sour, huh?
Oh, George.
You know the good and well I want to eat that.
It's on my lip. Oh, damn, your mind white.
That's
That
why I
man
asked you
ain't never
wood.
sauce.
That's why I asked you why was it white?
It's nothing but sauce. Oh my God. Oh, y'all, this stuff is sour, baby. I had to go get me a drink after this. Y'all, this thing so white with sauce on it. It really is. Like, this stuff is sour. Don't mind my cat. His name is Max. Don't mind him. So, this thing is white. Oh my God. But I will be ending this video. That is all for this video. I have tried all of Out of the Country snacks. And I will be putting their stuff in the description box. And if you want to ever try it, go ahead. Try it. Try it out. But, y'all, this stuff is something else with this one. I don't like, comment, and subscribe. Just and turn the notification bell on so you can know when I post. I will try to be consistent and constantly posting video, even if it's just little videos. Like, but I want to do more challenges. So just comment different challenges that you think I should do, different stuff that you think I should try, and everything. Like, just let me know. And I got y'all. Cause what's my name? Star with 2 R's. Okay, if you know, you know.